Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Demi Afro. Today, I'll be walking you through how you can get or download TradingView on your system, an essential tool for traders in Forex, crypto, stocks, and many more. By the end of this video, you'll know why TradingView is important and how to get started with it. Let's get into the video. The first thing first is to open your browser and type TradingView or www.tradingview.com. It will be suggested for me because it's one of the things I browse more on my Google Chrome. I'm using Google Chrome, the popular one. Then you go down to TradingView desktop and this will appear on your screen. We have the Windows, the Mac, and so on. But the one I have business with right now is the Windows because I'm using a Windows system. You click on it and it's downloading. While it is downloading, let us talk about why it is even important. TradingView is a powerful chatting platform used by millions of traders worldwide. It provides advanced chatting tools, real-time data, and a large community to share your ideas and strategies with. Whether you are trading forex, cryptocurrency, stock, or other financial instruments, trading will help you make informed decisions. So you can see it's still downloading. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. It doesn't take much. And TradingView has a lot of advanced tools. TradingView offers varieties of chatting and technical analysis tools to help you spot trends and make predictions well. You have the real-time data. Get access to real-time market data and news, crucial for making timely trading decisions. And you can also customize alerts in case you are not going to be available to check your charts. So you have the customized alerts in it that is built up and it has a right. If you are the one that like posting your setup online or in the community, TradingView have that for you. So we are done downloading our file. So it says here. Let's install. That shouldn't take much time. Okay, let's launch. Okay, so you can decide if you don't have an account, you sign up and you can sign in with browser. But let me add my dev account for the sake of this video. So you create an account and you sign in. You can sign in with Google. You can use your Facebook, you can use X, you can use Yahoo, you can use Apple, you can use LinkedIn. You can also use your email. Whatever you like, you can use. But I have an account, so let me just sign in with the account I would like to use to sign in with. Okay, let me show you this part. TradingView has a free version, and also have the one that you have to pay for, which is the essential, the plus, and the premium. The essential is $12. The plus is 24 or $25. This is $13 and $50. Everything has an advantage, and all this lasts for 30 days. And we have the why do you have to go for essential? Why do you have to go for plus? Why do you have to go for premium? Everything is listed here. The reason why you have to go for any of them. Yeah. The reason why you have to go for anywhere, you can take your time to read up. And we have the comparison plan. So that is what about that. Okay, I just sign in. I sign in with a new Gmail for the purpose of this class. So everybody can see what it looks like to sign in with the new Gmail in case you have not used it at all. Then you can come here to search for any market, any charts. This is what it looks like. Let's scroll down for us to just add a few of it. You can go through this and read and read and read and read. There's a lot of charts you can look for here on TradingView. So you can come here to just click on Bitcoin directly, Tesla, or you can come here to just search the currency pair. This is the symbols. You can search in symbols, and we have these all the things, all the instruments you can set. If you want to be specific, you can come to stock. You can come to bonds. Just to be specific, you can come to futures. You can come to forex, crypto, indices, bonds, money, options. Okay, let me tell you something. If I type, okay, now I'm not showing this chart option. Sorry, let me put it again. The next pop up is chart option. I don't know where it's down. Okay, let's search code. Let's click on code. Let's launch the chart for the first time. This is what is looking like. This is what is looking like. You can adjust this to this side. You can even remove it entirely. You can leave it. So this is what it looks like. So this is that about this video. In the next video, I'll teaching you how to customize your chart, make it appealing to you, how you want it to look like, and how to also have your watch lists, what you want to trade. Everybody, you can trade everything, but I don't think it's logical for you to trade everything. You can have what the things you want to trade here instead of having everything. And you can come here to search. Okay, it's showing now. The search is showing now. Yeah. For example, now I want to search for Bitcoin. When I go to all, I'll be seeing tons of Bitcoin. But when you go to crypto, you just see Bitcoin and crypto. You not see a lot of other things going on. For example, if I want to search for if I come here now and search for Euro USD, USD. When this is all, I can see some Euro USD that are not meant to be same. Like these ones, they're not on the Forex. But if I click on Forex, I will only see Euro USD that's Forex. Like they're not much, they're just Forex. And if I come here, I will see Euro USD that are futures Euro USD. So I am not seeing any Forex Euro USD here. So that is that about the video. I'll be expecting you in the next video. Have a great day.